Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your HODL account. So, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch or open your HODL application on your mobile device or on your website. Make sure to log into your account as well. Once you are on the main homepage, tap on the human icon at the bottom right-hand corner. Now, tap on the Account option from the top right, and you will come across this interface. Tap on the Delete My Account button at the bottom. Remember that deleting your account leads to the permanent removal of your data from HODL. All of your data will be deleted, and after the deletion is completed, you won't be able to access your previous transactions or get back to your account. So, if you're sure you'd like to delete your account, tap on Yes, Delete in the pop-up, and you have successfully deleted your HODL account. That's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye.